Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Pilot seat. To move your seat forward or backward, find the bar located under the front edge of the seat. Lift it up and slide the seat to your desired position, then release the bar to lock it. For reclining, use the lever on the side of the seat. Pull it up and lean back or forward until you find a comfortable angle. Always make sure your seat is securely locked before you start driving for safety. Many Honda Pilot models offer additional adjustments for enhanced comfort. To fine-tune your lumbar support, look for a round dial or a set of buttons on the side of your seat. This allows you to increase or decrease the lower back support. For seat height, locate the lever or switch, usually on the outer side of the seat. Pumping it up or down will adjust your elevation, helping you achieve the best visibility and driving posture. If your Honda Pilot has memory seat functions, you can easily save and recall your favorite driving positions. To set a position, first adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel exactly how you like them. Then, press the Set button, usually found on the driver's door panel, followed by pressing either button 1 or button 2. To recall a saved position, simply press the corresponding number button and your seat will automatically adjust. Beyond basic adjustments, some Honda Pilot models offer advanced comfort features. You might have heated or ventilated seats, controlled by buttons on your dashboard or center console, perfect for any weather. Power adjustments provide effortless control over various seat movements, ensuring you can fine-tune your position with precision. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.